Students, this is a short overview of Unit 3. Okay, if you notice that here we're talking about the central limit theorem and confidence intervals. The first part's talking about sampling distributions and the central limit theorem. That's a very important idea. It's essential for inferential statistics. And then again, we talk about proportions. That's like who's popular among the presidential candidates. You'll see that on the news all of the time. And then another big use of statistics is confidence intervals. Confidence intervals. And there's different types. Ones use that's talking about the mean, and others that are talking about a proportion. Of course, there's a different work that you need to do and the exam at the end. As you're working through Unit 3 in the content, notice you got lesson 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Taking these one at a time, trying to get your mind around it, working the tasks, getting yourself ready for the quiz is very, very important. One thing that I try to do to help you in this is to come up with some good videos or find good videos and put it in the Unit 3 question and comment section. There are some very powerful videos here. Some of them I've made, and some of them has to do with KA. KA stands for Khan Academy, and I talked about this before, but these are very, very helpful videos, and I encourage you to watch them. How can I be successful on this Unit 3 exam? Of course, you want to know the material, and you want to be able to apply it. So here are some things that I would think would be good. Obviously, time with the lessons. There's no way you're going to understand statistics if you don't spend some time until the content gets through. Some people can go slow the first time. Some people have to do it multiple times. So you got to deal with the type of situation you're at now. Then there's working with the formulas and then putting that same formula procedure in with a calculator procedure. That's what I meant at the beginning of the course when I was talking about calculated procedures. I have found it very, very helpful to draw a picture. Draw a picture. It really does help you get your, quote, mind around the problem. And then here's a procedure that works really well in statistics. That is reading the question, getting the facts out, drawing a picture, thinking about what formulas you need. You could write down what you're going to put in the calculator, and then really what we should be doing, and we have not done much of, is interpret the results. I am probably going to allow or do an extra credit assignment on interpreting the results. I hope to do that sometime soon. And then lastly, you can do it. You can do statistics. I have been where you are, okay? And you need to do it. I know you don't. That doesn't come across the way I intend it to. I just don't know any other way to say it. But if you want that A or B, obviously you need to do it. But if you want to understand how statistics are used and have that insight so you could do well in other places, you really need to do well, and you can. This is a good pathway for you to do that. So this is some information that can help you. You can do it, and look at these other videos if you have time, and they may help you as well. I wish each and every one of you the best as we finish Unit 3.